Hey guys, this is William. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about passive income and passive income lies.
That is one big pile of shit.
First off, what is passive income?
This is what I'm here for.
Passive income is income that's earned through investments or work you've already completed and you don't have to do it again and again and again, right? I know you've seen these guys, these quote-unquote gurus on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and their flashy cars, their flashy lifestyle, the beautiful women on the beach, and living lavish lifestyles, right?
Yeah, party!
I'm going to tell you that probably close to 98% of all of that is utter bullshit, okay? Here's the deal. Passive income, true passive income, is income that you can actually take some money or take an investment and put it into something that you can afford to lose.
We should take Bikini Bottom and push it somewhere else!
There's only two real markets that this has consistently produced good income in. They are public markets and real estate.
It's free real estate.
Right? The fastest way not to be living on the beach, because most people, when they think of passive income, they go, oh, well, I don't want to have a god-awful job with a boss I hate, stuck in an office where I don't want to work, right? That's what the alternative is for them in their mind and in their mindset, okay? The quickest way to not get out of that situation you're trying to escape is thinking you're going to do it by going and sitting somewhere on some beach or in some Lambo, not having to work. All right, the easiest way, this is what you do. You go to that 9-to-5 job that you have, or you have this idea and you put in the work. I put in like 20 years of work, 2 decades before I became successful, right? Of slaving, of sitting there working hard, of saving, of doing the right thing, if you will, and building up my business, and taking what I was making, reinvesting it, taking what I made, reinvesting it, right? And not going out and buying dumb shit, which is what most people do.
I deserve it though, I put in work.
They get a little money and then they go out and buy a newer car, a newer house, and they go and buy things. But if you listen to people that are actually in the business, are wealthy, not just rich, but actually wealthy, they'll tell you take that money and invest it into properties and assets and things that will start producing money for you, not just sitting it in the bank and letting it sit there, but actually putting it into assets that will start producing wealth for you, okay?
I like to make money.
Most of these guys out here are simply selling a dream, right? It's one of the things I can't stand the most is a lot of these people out here just selling a dream of something that's, you know, they think that you're not going to ever have to work. It's going to come so easy to you, and I'll have that Lambo within a year, versus me putting into work. Like, we're scared of work. We're scared of actually grinding, if you will, and doing the hard thing so we can get where we want to be.
Get up and go to work!
So if you liked today's video, make sure to hit like and turn on that bell notification. My name is William. I have over 20 years of SEO experience in marketing. I've been doing this for 20 years, and I've been successful. I'm a 7-figure agency, so I appreciate you guys. If you guys have any questions, make sure not only to hit like, but also to make some comments below and ask questions about passive income. You know, what type of investments you're looking at. I personally invest in real estate and some public markets as well. But make sure to comment below and put in those questions. Until next time, you guys be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. I was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and